Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 8 simple but powerful rules that can completely improve your life. Most people want success, happiness, confidence, peace, good health, and a better future. But many people spend their lives waiting for the perfect time. Waiting for motivation, waiting for luck, waiting for someone to save them. But here's the truth, life changes through small daily habits. Tiny actions, repeated every daily, slowly shape your future. The good news is you don't need to be rich, famous, or perfect to improve your life. You only need a few strong rules and the discipline to follow them consistently. So in this video, I'm going to share 8 powerful life rules that can transform your mindset, your habits, your confidence, and your future. Make sure you watch until the end because the last rule is the one that changes everything. Let's begin. Rule number 1. Control your morning. Your morning controls your day. Most people wake up and immediately check their phones. Notifications, messages, bad news, social media, and before the day even starts, their mind is already tired. Successful people protect their mornings. Instead of starting the day with noise, start it with purpose. Wake up early, drink water, stretch your body, read something positive. Exercise. Spend a few minutes in silence. Even just 30 minutes of a peaceful morning routine can completely change your energy. Remember this, if you don't control your morning, your day will control you. A strong morning creates a strong mind, and a strong mind creates a strong life. Rule number 2, stop seeking approval. One of the biggest reasons people stay unhappy is because they constantly seek approval from others. They want everyone to like them, everyone to agree with them, everyone to praise them. But the truth is, no matter what you do, some people will criticize you anyway. If you live for people's opinions, you will never feel free. You must learn to trust yourself. Not everyone will understand your journey. Not everyone will support your dreams. And that's okay. You were not born to impress everybody. You were born to become your best self. The moment you stop chasing approval, you start gaining confidence because confidence is built when you listen to your own voice more than the noise around you. Rule number 3, master your habits. Your life is not shaped by your goals, it is shaped by your habits. A person who studies 1 hour every day becomes educated. A person who exercises daily becomes healthy. A person who saves money consistently becomes financially stable. Small habits may look unimportant in one day, but over months and years, they become life changing. Bad habits destroy slowly, good habits build slowly, and that's why discipline matters more than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving even when you don't feel like it. So ask yourself, what habits are helping my future and what habits are destroying it? Your daily routine is creating your future right now. Choose wisely. Rule number 4, learn to be alone. Many people are afraid of being alone, so they stay in toxic relationships, fake friendships, bad environments, just to avoid loneliness. But being alone is not the same as being lonely. Sometimes solitude is necessary for growth. When you spend time alone, you start understanding yourself better. You discover your strengths, your weaknesses, your dreams. Silence helps you think clearly. The strongest people know how to enjoy their own company because if you cannot be happy alone, you will always depend on others for happiness. Learn to sit with yourself, learn to grow by yourself. That is real power. Rule number 5, protect your energy. Energy is more important than time. You can always make more money, but you cannot recover wasted mental energy so easily. Pay attention to what drains you. Negative people, constant drama, endless complaining, toxic social media, fake relationships. All of the things slowly destroy your peace. Protect your mind like you protect your health. Spend time with people who inspire you. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. The world is changing every day. New technology, new opportunities, new challenges. If you refuse to learn, life will leave you behind. Read books, learn skills, listen to podcasts, study successful people. Even 20 minutes of learning every day can change your future. Knowledge increases confidence. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Rule number 7. Take responsibility for your life. This rule is difficult, but it is life changing. Stop blaming everyone else for your problems. Stop blaming your parents, your past, your bad luck. Yes, life is unfair sometimes. Yes, people can hurt you. But healing and improving your life is still your responsibility. Rule number 8. Be patient with yourself. Most people quit too early. They want instant success, instant money, instant results. But real growth takes time. A tree does not grow in one day. A strong body is not built in one week. A successful life is not created overnight. Be patient with yourself. You are growing even when progress feels slow. Every small effort matters. Every good decision matters. So, those were the 8 simple but powerful rules that can completely improve your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.